Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Bloons TD6. Let's get into it. The balloons have taken over your town. Take it back. Okay, we're going to take it back. Stop the balloons from getting through. Okay. Let's see. Go monkey. Oh, place another dark monkey. Oh, this is a dark monkey. Okay, cool. Is that like is that Quincy right there? Who knows? Okay, where should you go? How about right there? This is okay. Play. I think is it right to right here? Turn the music down. 4%'s good. Okay. Speed it up. Give me you need XP. That was easy, right? Click play to start at the next round. Okay. I can get another dart monkey. I'll put it right there. Popping balloons earns your monkey experience. Oh, okay. Upgrades. Each type of monkey has 5 upgrades in 3 paths. Oh, and then there's like that's cool. And then you unlock this. And then if I go here, you can upgrade. Okay. Upgrade. I don't got enough money for that. Okay. I mean, that's cool. And these locked ones, I guess I'll eventually unlock them. Need some help? Sure. Quincy is a monkey hero that upgrades himself during the game. He can pop several balloons per shot. Okay.
Just give me a target. What next?
Oh, he's level 1. Okay. Oh, and every level. Okay, cool.
Awesome.
He leveled up. Is it like an auto? Oh, there is. Auto start is on, which means each round starts automatically. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I leveled up. Oh, I can unlock a monkey. Glue. Is this a glue? Yeah, glue gunner, ice monkey, bomb shooter, attack shooter, and a boomerang monkey. Which one should I do? I think I'm gonna do the bomb shooter. Launches a powerful bomb at balloons. Yeah, let's go with that one. Okay, I put him right there. Okay, cool. Okay, that's kind of loud. Still kind of loud.
Yes.
Okay, I mean it's better. Oh, I can upgrade the dirt monkey. What should I? Oh, yeah, I can also. Okay. You have an active ability. An ability. Cool down. Oh, down here. Oh, I think I just wasted it. Oh wait, that.
Yes.
This has that better? Yeah, that's way better. Oh, I can upgrade the bomb shooter now. Do you? Upgrade. 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 Oh, you can only do 2 paths? Oh, then the other path locks. Oh, I mean that's cool. I got $100. Nice, $100. Update 38. Oh, there's a cosmic boss. Yeah, I only have 2 monkeys or towers, whatever. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. What's this? Okay, monkey knowledge. You will start earning monkey knowledge points from level 30. Oh, I have to get to level 30. Monkeys. Okay. Play. Oh, there's a bunch of maps. Be a beginner map for the... Okay. Let's just do the first one. I'm gonna do... I'm just gonna do easy to start because I don't got like everything upgraded. So got Dirt Monkey. I put you right there. I'll start someone. Put you down since you level up. I'll put you right there.
Just give me a target.
Okay. Speed it up. So there, it has 40 rounds. Okay. You get 1 cash for every layer of pop balloons plus some bonus at the end.
Nice.
Okay, I get cat. Oh, upgrade. I can upgrade. So I can. Oh. You can pop 2 more balloons per shot. What is this? Shoots even further and can detect camo bullets. Camo. Oh, like they're like you can't see them. This makes them be able to see. I'm probably gonna want that. Oh, I leveled up again. Okay, another one. What should I think I'm gonna go with? Boomerang monkey, the boomerang one. Should I do quick shots or long range? I think I'm gonna do long range and enhance eyesight. Okay, I'm gonna place down the boomerang monkey so he can get experience, so I can level him up. So I can't.
Oh yeah.
Him. Oh. XP. Oh yeah, I'll unlock that, and I can get that. Cool. I think I'm gonna get the bomb shooter next. Oh, I can upgrade the boomerang. Yeah, let's get that for the XP and buy it. I leveled up again. Wait, do I get? Okay, another monkey. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna go with the tack shooter. Okay, I'm gonna place down. What does the tack shooter do? Oh, it has pretty low range. So maybe if I put it like in the corner. Eventually, that's probably gonna be stuff I can't hit. Okay, I put bomb shooter there. Can I upgrade you again? Oh, I can. Faster throwing. Throws boomerang faster. I think. I meant to. It is fine. And I'll do that. I'm gonna get.
Nice. You
so
want some?
Slightly wronger. Can I like? So. Oh, I leveled up again. I think I'm just gonna get the ice monkey. Okay. Oh, I can get the attack shooter. I can upgrade. So faster shooting, farther, shoots more attacks. I think I'm gonna get that and upgrade. Ice monkey. What does it like freeze? Oh yeah, it does freeze. Regrow balloons. These cute heart-shaped balloons will regrow back lost layers every couple seconds. So when they get popped, they can like gain more health. Oh, that doesn't seem good. What's this? Glaives. Sure, I don't know what the glaives do, but I'll get them. Oh, it's like a shuriken or ninja star. Either or. I can't upgrade the ice monkey. I'm just gonna get that. Why not? Black balloons are small yet contains 2 pinks inside of them. Also, black balloons are immune to explosions, so this guy's useless. And I just upgrade them. Okay. I get the glue gunner. Cool. Okay, so does he slow? Oh, you put glue on them. That's cool. White balloons are like black balloons, but immune to ice. Oh. I think I'm gonna turn the sound down a little bit more. Oh, I can upgrade the bomb shooter, missile launcher. Oh, missile launcher. I mean, camel balloons can't be affected. Oh, that's why I got this dude. The good thing I got that. Purple balloons contain 2 pink balloons and are fast. Oh, I can upgrade the crossbow. What's a crossbow? Oh, crossbow. So upgrade that. Now you got a crossbow. That's cool. The upgrade. I'm getting so much experience. I can't upgrade fast enough. Okay, so. Oh, I leveled up again. Whoa, these are so cool. There's okay, so there's monkey sub must be placed in water. I don't think there's water here, so I'm not gonna get that. Monkey buccaneer, water, sniper, monkey ace, helipilot, and I think I'm gonna go with the sniper. I'm gonna place him down. I can upgrade do these. So let's see. I can upgrade that. Blood balloons. They're made of metal, so they can't be hurt by sharp things. Try bombs. Oh, I got some bombs. So this guy got some bombs. So I'm gonna place another for a backup. I'm gonna place that crossbow. I'm gonna do that. Oh, okay. So you can only get 2. Okay, that's cool. So you only can get 2. So you can get a 2. And then 5 or max. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with the helipilot. Oh, the helipilot's expensive. I'll buy him. Oh, he follows my cursor. Okay, cool.
Awesome.
You saw 1 camo balloon back on round 20. Ooh, I can upgrade him. How do I make this? Is there what follow mouse? Lock in place. Oh, that's okay. Nice. Oh, I can upgrade you more. I'll do that. Warning, camo balloons. Good thing I get another dark monkey. Ooh, I leveled up again. Monkey ace. What does the monkey ace do? Oh, okay, cool. It's a plate. Oh, I can upgrade a sniper. I do that. And that. Upgrade. So what's down here? What's this? Beast handler, spike factory, a ninja monkey, wizard, super. Okay. Stuff is cool. Let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna turn all start off so I can start upgrading. Okay. Okay. Okay, Spike pull. Oh, what's that? I get that. Why not? Let's see. No. I'm gonna get another dart monkey down and see what the Spike pull is. Oh, that's cool. and longer range, or I think I'm gonna do that so you can see camo. And then turn all start on, and okay, let's go. Ceramic balloons are covered in a shell of hardened clay and take several hits to pop. Okay. Oh, I leveled up again. I'm gonna get the mortar monkey and let's place him down. I mean, he's cool. What's this? Dartling gunner. There's a what's Dartling gunner. Moab class balloons. Fear the Moab balloons. These are floating fortress of fear. Take loads of hits to pop. When they do, release I can't speak. Balloons. Oh, like the lead balloons. No, not lead. Like the tan balloons.
Incoming!
It's a boss! It's like a boss. Oh no.
Awesome!
I won! Nice! I got 25 monkey money. I think that's what it's called. Okay, what's free play? This is a free play mode. Rules have changed. Balloons will get stronger and faster the further you go. Keep playing as long as you can. Okay. So I just keep going? Oh, so it goes... Okay. Let's get that. Okay, I think this is a good setup. Okay, so... I have a lot of upgrading to do, don't I? Oh, okay, look at that. Guess that. So I can upgrade you, and that. Okay. Whoa! The balloons are getting pretty far. Turn it down a little bit more. Okay, can I upgrade that? Oh yeah, I got fortified balloons. Oh wait, that's cool. Okay. Well, probably not for me, but it's so cool. Well, I can't really. I don't think I can place. What's this? You have a power. These temporarily. Okay, so these are the Oh, so what's this? What do you mean? Hey, there's a pool. Maybe I could place that and put the. What is this? I don't have any of them, so. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. Fortified ceramic balloons. Oh yeah, that's like the brown can. More like brown, isn't it? Oh, there's a bunch of camo. I'm gonna get more dart monkeys down. Okay, triple shot. Super monkey fan club. Let's go outside and camo. So I got a crossbow. So I got the bottom path, the middle path, and then the top path. What should I do? Ooh, I'm gonna put boomerang here. I'm gonna upgrade him. So, yeah, let's do that. Can I upgrade it? Oh yeah, I can upgrade this one too. I'm gonna upgrade the heli pilot. Oh, so now you can see camo, I think, right? Yeah, camo.
Incoming!
Camo. I don't have any exploding pineapples. Exploding pineapples. That sounds cool. He drops the pineapples are exploding. Okay. Change targeting. Changing targets options. Oh yeah, so yeah, I already saw that you can do. Yeah, that's cool. Upgrade the attack shooter. Attack shooter, okay. Oh, I can upgrade the ice monkey. Okay, I didn't get, oh, I leveled up again. I got the monkey sub. Yeah, I can't use him. Yeah, I can't place him down. No, there's two. Oh, there's two in the mobs. Okay. Oh, I'm so good.
Nice.
So that's bomb shooter. What can I upgrade? Extra range. If I get another.
Incoming!
Get another one of those. Oh, there's a lot.
Headshot!
Headshot, okay. Get another crossbow monkey, I guess. This is crazy. So loud though.
Yes?
Okay, that's better. So the glue gunner. Oh, I haven't been operating him. Sniper. Upgrade that. So I need that. So I can upgrade the monkey ace now. Spy plane. That means he can hit camo. I think camos they make me. Oh no. Wait, it's camo. Final round.
BFB incoming!
Oh, what is that? BFB? That's a
Is that
BFB?
all you got?
Oh my. Oh, I leveled up. Monkey money. Okay, I got monkey money. Nice. What is this dude? He's in the green. I think this is military stuff. Why didn't I get him? It's whatever. I'm probably eventually gonna get him. Put another
Headshot!
triple shot.
Yes?
Why is it's so loud.
Sweet.
Okay. If you... Oh, I got
Come on.
abilities. I completely forgot about abilities. Yeah,
Yeah?
Quincy. I'm not...
Oh, yes!
No,
Seriously?
I lost. Oh man. Okay. Free continue. I think I'm good. I only got 200 and the free. I think maybe I use free some other time. But I mean, I did okay, I guess. Who's this? Quincy. Oh, they're quests. Tail challenge tutorial. So here's all there's a bunch of quests. Okay, so that's what that dude is. The chest. What's the chest? Monkey money. Oh, it's daily rewards. Insta monkey. What is this? Cash drop. Oh, like these were at the special. You can place that stuff. Oh, I got a bunch of monkey money. Monkey money. Some more money. Can I get any more? No? Okay. So what? Yeah, the heroes. Log in to the... Okay. But... Okay, so this dude... Oh, and I unlocked these as I level up. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's his... Oh, that's his quest. Oh, you can... Oh, that's cool. You can buy, like, different styles. These guys are probably gonna be expensive. Yeah, I don't have enough monkey money for these. Okay. I mean, once I get to level 14, I get that fire dude. I'm one level away. What's this? Oh, I get that at level 20. Okay, cool. If you guys enjoyed, enjoy this video or want to see more, so just like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification bell so I know you want to see more. And bye guys.